No one can cancel the Creator, but history shows humans keep trying to take his place, not realizing they become not gods, but tools of another power. The genome isn't ours. We didn't create it. But now we believe we can control it. For centuries, nature ruled us. It was judge, architect, distributor. We were born with a body, a temperament, a destiny, and we did not choose them. DNA was fate. You could suffer from it, admire it, or ignore it, but never rewrite it. That changed when we decoded the human genome. In 2003, the Human Genome Project revealed a new reality. Our biology, in full view, not in myth or poetry, but in code. Once the code was visible, power shifted. The first question arose: who has the right to read this? At first, scientists, then corporations, now algorithms. Today, DNA is a commodity, traded like data. You spit in a tube, and your genetic future becomes market material. But knowledge is not the end goal. Control is. CRISPR-Cas9 made it real. It turned editing DNA into a lab task. Mice, plants, embryos, and soon, living adults. And now we face the real question. Who decides which genes are correct? Governments? Then we face a new eugenics. Corporations? Then DNA becomes a subscription model. Parents? Then children become projections. AI? Then the human is shaped by the non-human. Nature is no longer independent. It is now a system, managed by those with money, access, and interpretation. This creates a new hierarchy. Not rich and poor, not educated and uneducated, but editable versus uneditable. One child avoids a disease because his family could pay. Another dies because she couldn't. One is born perfect, another with a flaw, now called a failure in selection. The inequality is no longer random. It is designed. So, who rules nature now? The answer: whoever controls the interpretation of the code. They decide what is a defect and what is enhancement. They define the new standard of the normal human. We can no longer say, "I am who I was born to be." Now we must ask, who assigned that version of me?